I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using drugstore brand Wet n Wild Trio palette called Walking on Eggshells that look like this right here. This palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing, and what I really love best about this palette, aside from its affordability because it's available in your local drugstore, what I really love best about this palette is if you are inexperienced to wearing makeup, it has a pictorial on the back of it to help guide you on how to create a fabulous eye look. And even if you're experienced to wear makeup, well then your possibilities are endless to the types of looks that you can achieve using this same palette. So enough of me rambling, because if you want to see more on how I use this palette to get the eye look that you're seeing, keep watching this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Start out by moisturizing my skin, and I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics oil controlling lotion. It's infused with tea tree oil and it smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to blend this in over my face and then use my Profusion Cosmetics eyelid primer, and with the warmth of my fingertips I'm going to take and blend this up all the way towards my brow bone. And then I'll use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to help set that primer in as a transitional color. But wait, you dolls, I have to sip on my peanut butter punch smoothie that I've been obsessed with lately. Oh my gosh, this tastes incredible. I'm talking peanut butter, bananas, kale, almond milk. Oh, just let me know. I will definitely include a tutorial on how I made it. So back to this. So yeah, I'm blending. So now I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. Now I use this to separate the brow bone from the crease highlight. I'm doing this by blending in a windshield type motion, and I'm making sure to keep it nice and low because this helps warm my eye up for the palette. So here I'm taking the color that's labeled crease, and with a precision blending brush I'm popping that directly into my crease. It's a very neutral color for my skin tone, so you may not see it show up on camera, but it's there. So I'm gonna go back and with a flat shader brush, and look at this. Oh, the pigmentation on these eyeshadows are insane. With the flat shader brush, I'm going ahead and patting this over the entire mobile area of my eye, being sure to pat it on because I want to maintain the pigmentation payout from this palette. And then I'm going to go back, touch up the crease, and this time I'm focusing on that outer V. Focus only in on that outer V by smoking it out and then dragging it back in towards the crease, but focusing in heavy on that outer V. Off camera, apply my false eyelashes and wing liner. And here I'm using my facial stippling brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is where I begin blending my entire face in together. I'm going to blend by using my Lancôme Foundation and blend this all over my entire face. And then I'm using my LA Girl Pro Contour Concealer. I'm using the concealer portion as a highlight though. So I'm going to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes with my e.l.f. Cosmetics concealing brush. I'm going to take and make sure I place that underneath the areas of my eyes. And you see I'm digging into it because I didn't hit pan on this thing, and I refuse for my money to go to waste. No ma'am, I am going to get every drop out of this pan that I can. So I'm going to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes. And with the same palette, I'm going to take the darker side, which is the contour, and contour around my cheek area, and then I'm going to do the perimeters of my forehead. Once I complete that, I'm going to use my LA Colors blending sponge, and I'm going to go ahead while it's moist, and I'm going to blend out that contour, blend out that concealer, especially around underneath the areas of my eyes, and move into using my liquid highlighter, which is by Maybelline. I have been obsessed with liquid highlighter lately. I mean, look how gorgeous that is. A little bit of this definitely do go a long way. And then I'm going to begin to add my blush. A little bit of this goes a long way because I'm not much of a blush wearer. And I'm going to outline my lips and then look to apply my lipstick. And then I'm going to gloss it up with my Fenty Beauty Gloss. And this concludes the video. Not bad, huh? Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.